Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of alcohol, today we will see preparation of alcohol by using Grignard reagent. आपको पता है Grignard reagent क्या है? Alkyl magnesium halide is said to be Grignard reagent, RMgX. This is the Grignard reagent. In 1901, Grignard found this reagent, and in 1911 he got Nobel Prize for this. So alkyl magnesium halide is a Grignard reagent. This compound is also said to be organometallic compound. You know which compound is said to be organometallic compound? Organometallic compound है bonding between carbon and metal. Metal और carbon में bonding होनी चाहिए. This is the identity of organometallic compound. RMgX, I will take example of this methyl magnesium bromide. This is a Grignard reagent. Here bonding between carbon and magnesium, ये metal है और carbon non-metal है, ये carbon. So bonding between metal and carbon is said to be organometallic compound. And we know that organometallic compounds are more reactive. Grignard reagent is nucleophile. I will say it is a strong nucleophile. Concentrate on this bond magnesium and carbon. Here electronegativity of magnesium is near about 1.1 and carbon it is near about 2.1. And carbon is more electronegative than metal, carbon is more electronegative than magnesium. And here there is a more polarization towards carbon. Yani after breaking up this bond, shifting of both electrons towards carbon. Yani it gives CH3 minus, here bonding electrons, and MgBr plus. This is said to be polarization. And we know that what is CH3 minus, this is a carbanion and this is the nucleophile. ये nucleophile है. ये nucleophile है. यानी Grignard reagent provides nucleophile. ये क्या provide करता है? Nucleophile provide करता है. And we know that what is a nucleophile? Nucleophile and nucleus loving, यानी it is electron rich. ये electron rich species है. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच स्पेसिस कहां पे अटैक करेगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट सेंटर पे अटैक करेगा. वन न्यूक्लियोफाइल, एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल दूसरे न्यूक्लियोफाइल पे कभी अटैक नहीं करेगा. देयर डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी रिपल्शन. वहां पे रिपल्शन होगा. न्यूक्लियोफाइल दैट इज डेफिनेटली रिपल्शन. न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड इलेक्ट्रोफाइल देयर इज अट्रैक्शन, अपोजिटली चार्ज्ड. So Grignard reagent is the source of nucleophile and a Grignard reagent provides nucleophile. Alkyl magnesium halide is the Grignard reagent. And how will you prepare this Grignard reagent? This is very simple. A reaction of alkyl halide, when alkyl halide is treated with magnesium metal, this reaction is very simple. When alkyl halide is treated with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. This is the solvent. So here formation of RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. This is the organometallic compound. This is the source of nucleophile. Then how will you prepare alcohol? By using Grignard reagent, by using RMgX. Remember, we can prepare alcohol by using aldehydes ketones with reaction of aldehydes ketones with Grignard reagent, by using ester and Grignard reagent, by using epoxide and Grignard reagent. Remember, when Grignard reagent is there, non-aqueous solvent is required. It is a non-aqueous solvent. Dry ether. Non-aqueous solvent is required. There should not be any trace amount of water when there is a Grignard reagent. Suppose the reaction is like this. I will take very first example of this in the preparation of alcohol. This is very interesting. From aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. This is the first. I will take first aldehyde, formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is treated with, I will take methyl magnesium bromide, followed by hydrolysis. But remember, here in the presence of dry ether, it gives ethyl alcohol. It gives ethyl alcohol. Here it is the product. Now here there should not be any trace amount of water when there is a Grignard reagent. Why? Kyun? Because Grignard reagent readily undergoes hydrolysis and it gives a corresponding hydrocarbon, corresponding alkane, and this reaction is possible here, not possible 100%. This reaction takes place and methyl magnesium bromide undergoes hydrolysis. And here a formation of what? CH3 will combine with H and a formation of CH4, corresponding alkane. To avoid this non-aqueous medium is required. That is why dry ether. Remember, observe any type, any reaction where a Grignard reagent is there. There should not be any trace amount of water. There is no water. What is the reason? Because it gives corresponding hydrocarbon. Product will be different. Then there is the formation of not alcohol. Isn't it? So to avoid this non-aqueous solvent, dry ether is required. See here, observe this reaction carefully. Here I have taken formaldehyde. A reaction of formaldehyde with methyl magnesium bromide. Intermediate is a magnesium complex. I will explain mechanism of this and then followed by hydrolysis. This is the final product and name of this compound, name of this alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. How to predict the product? See here. Here it is the formaldehyde HC double bond OH. So HCH and this oxygen, this is the part of what? Formaldehyde. HCOH. Here it is a double bond, here it is a single bond. Then what is new? So this methyl group is new, ये नया है और ये हाइड्रोजन. अब ये मिथिल ग्रुप कहां से आया? Answer is methyl magnesium bromide. Then what about this hydrogen? In the second step there is acid hydrolysis. From that step this hydrogen is attached to oxygen. This HCHO as it is, this skeleton is as it is. What is new? This methyl group and this hydrogen. Now in case of carbonyl compound, here I have taken formaldehyde. यहाँ पे मैंने formaldehyde लिया है. Now formaldehyde whether electron rich or electron deficient, here reaction center is carbonyl group. यहाँ पे reaction center carbonyl group है. ध्यान से देखो. Just मैंने अभी क्या कहा? Grignard reagent is the source of nucleophile. ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. अभी न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक कहां पे होगा? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल पे होगा. Here carbonyl group is the reaction center and to this carbon electronegative oxygen is attached. Here it is the direction of dipole. Oxygen is more electronegative. So here double bond and one sigma and one pi. So after breaking up pi bond, shifting of electrons towards oxygen, and here it is carbon is electron deficient, oxygen is electron rich, like this. अभी यहां पे जो कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है वो सेंटर है, रिएक्शन सेंटर है, कार्बन रिएक्शन सेंटर है, और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, नेगेटिवली चार्ज। अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जरूरत है। अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहां से आएंगे? न्यूक्लियोफाइल से आएंगे। अब यहां न्यूक्लियोफाइल कौन सा है? ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज CH3-। mechanism of this I will explain mechanism how this reaction takes place. ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है मैकेनिज्म। रिएक्शन ऑफ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, here formation of intermediate with methyl magnesium bromide, in the presence of dry ether solvent, because there should not be a trace amount of water, because if little water is there, trace amount of water is there, formation of corresponding hydrocarbon, to avoid this non-aqueous solvent is required. So here I have taken dry ether. Now here it is the polarity, breaking up this bond and shifting of electrons like this, यानी this is a nucleophile, ये nucleophile है, isn't it? अब इस न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक इस कार्बन पे होगा, बिकॉज ये कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट है। अभी देखा हमने कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट है, यानी ये फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड। नाउ आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू बॉन्ड इन बिटवीन दीज टू, टेल मी टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स टू कार्बन 1 2 3 4 एंड न्यू बॉन्ड 5. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. To maintain the tetravalency, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. अब ये मैग्नीशियम पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ऑक्सीजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है, सो इसमें बॉन्ड तैयार होगा। यानी हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कॉम्प्लेक्स HC, हियर CH3 H, here formation of magnesium complex MgBr, a magnesium complex है, unstable है, this is a magnesium complex, ये magnesium complex है। अभी इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा, here it is given hydrolysis of this magnesium complex, acid hydrolysis. Now observe this magnesium complex, here it is a polarity, यहां पे polarity है, ऑक्सीजन मैग्नीशियम, मैग्नीशियम इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव। जब भी ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, सो बॉन्डिंग पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सीजन, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, isn't it? So इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस acid hydrolysis. Now breaking up this bond, here it is water, breaking up this bond and shifting of electrons like this, and this is O minus, this O minus will take H plus, and here formation of CH3 CH2OH, यानी ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH, and what is the byproduct? Mg, that is bromo magnesium hydroxide. This is our product, this is our ethyl alcohol, इसका नाम है ethyl alcohol। यानी what is the conclusion? Formaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol, formaldehyde gives what? Ethyl alcohol। Second example, I will take acetaldehyde, a reaction of acetaldehyde with methyl magnesium, here I will take iodide, in the presence of dry ether, followed by acid hydrolysis. It gives what? We know that CH3COH remains as it is. I will write as it is CH3 CHO as it is. Now here Grignard reagent is methyl magnesium iodide, so it will provide CH3. Here it is CH3, here I will write CH3. And in acid hydrolysis step, hydrogen will get attached to this oxygen. Finished. And what is the name of this alcohol? Name of this alcohol is, we can rearrange like this CH3 CH3OH. इसको रीअरेंज कर सकते हैं. अब इसका नाम क्या है? आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल है. ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल बना है. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड गिव्स प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, दैट इज इथिल अल्कोहल. एसिटाल्डिहाइड सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल. बाद में एसीटोन क्या देता है वो देखेंगे. अब इसका मैकेनिज्म क्या है? मैकेनिज्म ऑफ दिस, इसका मैकेनिज्म कौन सी टाइप की रिएक्शन है ये? वी नो दैट दिस कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट, यानी ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल का एडिशन यहां पे होता है. कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड है, डबल बॉन्ड इन एडिशन रिएक्शन. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट? न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन. ये न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन का एग्जांपल है. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन, attack of nucleophile on electrophile. Here nucleophile is CH3 minus, so mechanism of this, iska mechanism, here reactant is acetaldehyde. ये acetaldehyde ethanol, a reaction with methyl magnesium iodide, there should not be any trace amount of water because it gives corresponding hydrocarbon, so non-aqueous solvent dry ether. Here it is polarity, breaking of this bond and shifting of electrons like this. Now this carbon is negatively charged, magnesium positively charged. अब ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल बना, अब ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. So attack of nucleophile here, because this carbon is electron deficient. Carbonyl group is the reaction center. यहाँ पे reaction center carbonyl group है और ये electron deficient है, isn't it? ये भीख मांगने वाला है. It is beggar. Electrophile. You can compare electrophile with beggar. This is a nucleophile, electron rich. So attack of nucleophile on this carbon. Now this carbon is pentavalent because here formation of new carbon single bond. So breaking up pi bond. Oxygen is negatively charged, magnesium is positively charged. And here formation of magnesium complex. Formation of magnesium complex CH3C. Hydrogen I will write here. Now this methyl group. And here it is a magnesium complex. ये बना magnesium complex. अभी इसकी रिएक्शन, अभी इसका एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ दिस acid hydrolysis. Here it is a polarity, same mechanism. Magnesium electropositive, oxygen electronegative. So breaking up this bond like this, O minus will take H plus and a formation of isopropyl alcohol. Formation of isopropyl alcohol and iodomagnesium hydroxide is the byproduct. This is corresponding alcohol. Formaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol, acetaldehyde gives isopropyl alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Third example, acetone. Directly I will take mechanism of this acetone. A reaction of acetone with methyl magnesium bromide. You can take aryl group also in the presence of dry ether. Here breaking up this and formation of nucleophile. यहाँ पे nucleophile form होगा. Attack of nucleophile here. It is reaction center. ये reaction center है. Breaking up pi bond, formation of O minus will take this positively charged magnesium and a formation of magnesium complex here. Formation of magnesium complex. A magnesium complex. Magnesium complex. इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ दिस. अभी इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस क्या होगा? हियर इट इज अ पोलैरिटी. सो ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड, breaking up this bond is shifting like this, and O minus will take H plus, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल. यहां पे टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल फॉर्म होगा. टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल बाय प्रोडक्ट ब्रोमो मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ये इट इज अ टर्शियरी अल्कोहल. Is it? Formaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol, primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde gives what? Secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. And acetone gives a tertiary, that is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Isn't it? Now preparation of alcohol from ester and Grignard reagent. Here it is. From ester and Grignard reagent. What is the mechanism of this type of reaction? We'll see now. I will take ethyl formate. This is the ester. This is the derivative of formic acid. That is why name of this ester is ethyl formate. इसका नाम ethyl formate है. You got this ethyl C2H5 ethyl group. HC double bond O minus, and this is a formate. This is anion of formic acid, anion of formic acid, so it is a formate. So ethyl formate, this is the ester. Now reaction of this with methyl magnesium, I will take bromide. In the presence of dry ether, you can take here chloride, iodide, etc. Dry ether. Followed by acid hydrolysis. Followed by acid hydrolysis, what is the product? Again, type of reaction is a nucleophilic addition. Here, addition of nucleophile. यहाँ पे भी nucleophile CH3 minus है. Carbanion is the nucleophile. So, Grignard reagent is the source of nucleophile. Now, what is mechanism of this? I will explain mechanism. इसका mechanism क्या है? A electrophile है, carbonyl group. Here a nucleophile reaction with nucleophile. ये nucleophile है in the presence of dry ether. To avoid the formation of hydrocarbon. Here it is a polarity, polarization towards carbon, more polarization towards carbon, breaking up this, and here formation of nucleophile. ये nucleophile होगा. Attack of same nucleophile here. Simultaneously breaking up pi bond to maintain the tetravalency. Isn't it? And this O minus will take what? MgBr, and here formation of magnesium complex. यहाँ पे magnesium complex होगा. I will show OC2H5 here, CH3, OMgBr, a magnesium complex है. अभी इसका एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस करना है, एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ दिस। यहां पे मैकेनिज्म थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, लिटिल डिफरेंट, मैकेनिज्म इज लिटिल डिफरेंट। सो हियर इट इज अ पोलैरिटी, breaking up this bond and shifting like this and shifting up 2 electrons here and shifting up this bond here, and again formation of carbon oxygen double bond. Now this carbon is pentavalent, 1 2 3 4 and new bond 5. So breaking up this carbon oxygen single bond, because here it is a polarity, oxygen is more electronegative, so remove of this. And here formation of what? Aldehyde. Here formation of aldehyde. Byproducts, C2H5, O minus will take H plus from this, and here formation of ethyl alcohol, and this Mg plus MgBr plus will take OH minus from here, and here formation of what? Bromo magnesium hydroxide. Now here formation of aldehyde, acetaldehyde. अल्कोहल नहीं बना अभी, ये जो अल्कोहल है बाय प्रोडक्ट है। Now again this acetaldehyde will react with methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether. अभी ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल, अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल, न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक होगा कहां पे? सो अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल बी हियर, एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कॉम्प्लेक्स, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम कॉम्प्लेक्स लाइक दिस। अभी ये मैग्नीशियम कॉम्प्लेक्स बना, अभी इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस, so breaking of this polar bond, O minus will take H plus and a formation of isopropyl alcohol, formation of isopropyl alcohol, formation of isopropyl alcohol. So in case of ester, how many moles of Grignard reagents are required? Here it is 1, here it is 2. So first ester will give what? Carbonyl compound, and then finally that is alcohol. Here carbonyl compound, here iodine, that is ethyl formate, here iodine ethyl formate, यहाँ पे ethyl formate लिया है मैंने। methyl magnesium bromide, it gives magnesium complex, then acetaldehyde, reaction of acetaldehyde again with methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether, again formation of magnesium complex, and finally hydrolysis of this, it gives isopropyl alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. So how many moles of Grignard reagents are required in case of ester? Here 2 moles of Grignard reagents are required. You can take here ethyl acetate, and simply you can replace this hydrogen by CH3. I will take that example also. Any doubt about this? Second example of this. Second example. Now I will take ethyl acetate. A reaction of ethyl acetate. Ethyl group है, acetate है. So ester, name of this ester is ethyl acetate. A reaction of this with, I will take phenyl magnesium bromide as a Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether. This is a nucleophile, this is the source of nucleophile. ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. So attack of nucleophile, we have seen attack of nucleophile or not? Electrophile. Here this is a nucleophile, pH minus is nucleophile, so attack of this on this carbon. And here formation of magnesium complex like this CH3 OC2H5. So here it is the pH OMGBr. This is the magnesium complex. अब इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस. Now mechanism same. Breaking up this bond, shifting towards oxygen and then shifting towards carbon and shifting of this bond here. And here formation of carbon oxygen double bond. C2H5O minus is given out. And here formation of PH C double bond O. Name of this carbonyl compound is acetophenone. इसका नाम है acetophenone. Byproduct ethyl alcohol and bromo magnesium hydroxide. Still 1 mole of Grignard reagent is required. Phenyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether. Here it is nucleophile. इसका अटैक यहां पे होगा. And again formation of magnesium complex like this. अब इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस सेम मैकेनिज्म. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड ये पोलर बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ O माइनस विल टेक H प्लस एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट tertiary alcohol. Formation of tertiary alcohol. So by using ester and Grignard reagent we can prepare alcohol. Now from epoxide and Grignard reagent. Third, from epoxide and Grignard reagent. Example of this. Epoxide. A reaction of this epoxide with methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether. Directly I will write mechanism of this. Now this cyclic ether epoxide. Here oxygen is electronegative, carbon is electropositive, and here it is the polarity. Here it is CH2, here also CH2, here it is the polarity. A polarity. And this carbon is electron deficient. Exactly same here. This carbon is also electron deficient. क्योंकि इस कार्बन को इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ऑक्सीजन अटैच है. यहां पे भी सेम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ऑक्सीजन इज अटैच्ड एंड बोथ these carbon atoms are what electron deficient. As usual this is the source of nucleophile. ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. अभी न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक कहां पे होगा? ऑक्सीजन पे नहीं होगा, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है. यहां पे होगा या यहां पे. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट स्टेरिक इफेक्ट. कार्बन विच इज लेस सब्स्टिट्यूटेड there is an attack of nucleophile. On this carbon 2 hydrogen atoms, on this carbon 2 hydrogen atoms equally substituted. Yani attack of nucleophile, you can take any carbon, either this electron deficient carbon or this electron deficient, same, both are same. So here formation of new carbon, carbon single bond. Valence of this carbon is pentavalent, so breaking of this O minus will take what? Mg. Yani here formation of CH3, see here, this is CH3, CH2, single bond CH2, OMGBr. This is the magnesium complex. A magnesium complex है. A magnesium complex है. अब इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा. कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दिस बॉडी. यहां पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. ये यहां पे पोलैरिटी, यहां पे मैग्नीशियम इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. Polarization will be like this. This is O minus and Mg plus. O minus will take what? H plus. And formation of what? corresponding alcohol. Yani here formation of N-propyl alcohol. Here formation of N-propyl alcohol. Example number 2. Suppose epoxide is like this. This is the epoxide. Here on this carbon, one hydrogen and one methyl group is there. On this carbon, both are hydrogen atoms. In which carbon is more substituted? This carbon is more substituted because here it is methyl group. And this carbon is less sterically hindered. You can take any nucleophile. I will take phenyl magnesium bromide. Attack of nucleophile. In the presence of dry ether, here it is nucleophile is pH minus. So this carbon, here it is a polarity. This carbon is electron deficient. Exactly same. This is also electron deficient. So attack of nucleophile either on this electron deficient carbon having 2 hydrogen atoms, or on this electron deficient carbon having 1 methyl group. And here little crowding is there. This carbon is a less substituted and attack of nucleophile on less substituted carbon atom. यहां पे अटैक होगा क्योंकि यहां पे एक मिथिल ग्रुप है, थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन होगा इनका, झगड़ा होगा इनका pH माइनस और CH3. Repulsion is there, steric effect, crowding is there. So that is why attack of nucleophile will be at less substituted carbon compulsory here. Then breaking up this bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. ये बॉन्ड जल्दी ब्रेक होगा बिकॉज रिंग स्ट्रेन है यहां पे. ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड है फिर भी ब्रेक होगा क्योंकि रिंग स्ट्रेन है. दिस इज 3 membered ring. So due to ring strain, suddenly breaking up this bond when there is attack of nucleophile here and here formation of O minus. So here what is intermediate? That is complex pH. Now here it is CH2. CH. On this carbon there is one methyl like this. O minus. Now this O minus will take what? MgBr. This is the magnesium complex, a magnesium complex. A magnesium complex है. अभी इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा. Hydrolysis of this. Acid hydrolysis. Concentrate on this bond. Here it is the polarity, polarization. O minus will take H plus and a formation of alcohol. Formation of corresponding alcohol like this. Here it is OH. So here formation of what? Secondary alcohol. So epoxide and a Grignard reagent gives alcohol. So these are the reactions in which formation of alcohol is there by using Grignard reagent. Number 1 from carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones. Number 2 ester from ester and Grignard reagent. And number 3 epoxides and Grignard reagent. If any doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you with solution. Thank you.